Pretty sure that the best mojitos you will try in Bournemouth is in here. We was drinking some Venezuelan rum as well. I remember that night.
Like this one?
Like that one, yeah. You know, every day I invent something.
Okay, you are testing.
I test every single stuff every
like
day.
Like an engineer, food engineer.
Something like that. Burgers love memories. You know that?
What?
Burgers love memories. It's like, I don't know. It's something I have in my mind. It's a better flavor also. It's our own flavor. It's not another one.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a surprise. You have to.
Okay,
come and
another
try.
surprise.
We cook from fresh to the grill already. The difference here is our passion to do what we are doing. The environment that we have here is very nice place. We decorate ourselves. And have a bit of our flavor, which is combined between Venezuelan fresh ingredients from Bournemouth as well, of course. Try our burgers, try this magical place, which is amazing. Try our cocktails. Just come down and see. It's perfect because it could be vegan, vegetarian. It's perfect for celiac people. Pretty sure that the best mojitos you will try in Bournemouth is in here. Regardless of our food, is as I said before, it's a combination between our beef, our passions that what we do, our homemade sauces. We do mostly of our sauce.
If you haven't tried the best burgers in town, let me tell you that today is your lucky day. Why? Because MOKOBO is offering for you, just for you, my story mate, 3 free burgers and 10 fries once you order 1 burger or hot dog. Don't forget to subscribe, follow these instructions, and let's try the best burgers in town. See you soon.